What's up, YouTube? Today I'm here to show you how to check for a bad starter. We have a 2009 Toyota Tacoma, but this is going to apply to almost all starting systems on most cars before you just replace a starter. We're going to make sure it's getting power feed and ignition feed to the starter. So the first thing we're going to do is key in the ignition. I already have my power probe hooked to the battery. Just check it. 12 volts, ground. Alright, now you're going to want to get up under the car. Lucky me, I work at a shop so I can rack the car and put it in the air. And we're going to take it up in the air. Customer's complaining of a no start, intermittent no start. All the lights light up, but nothing happens. I suspect a bad starter, but you always want to check it because you could have an ignition problem, loose wire, a bad battery feed. There's several different issues that can cause a starting problem. First thing you're going to do is you're going to look for the start location, and let me give you some light. Boom, look at that, right up there. This is your ignition feed right here. Okay. Sometimes I'll have an assistant help me sit in the car while I take it in the air, but in this case I don't have anybody to help me right now. Everybody's too busy, so I am going to show you how to do it by yourself. Now you can do this with a test light, but I recommend a multimeter or a power probe to do this job yourself. First thing we're going to do is we're going to touch to the positive battery feed. Notice 12.5 volts, which is plenty to start this vehicle, but that's from your positive battery. This is your ignition feed wire. We're going to unplug this. Normally I would leave this plugged in and have an assistant help me. Because normally you want to leave this plugged in to simulate a load on the starter. But in this case I don't have that luxury. So now let me get something to stick in that terminal. You can use several different things. Just don't spread the terminal too much. In this case, I'm going to use an alligator clip with a pick. Stick the pick in there. Bring it to the side. This is tricky now when you're trying to do this by yourself. Okay, we're in. Now we're going to lower the vehicle back down. And now we're going to reach in the car And we're going to listen for that beep. Do you hear that? Okay. That means we are getting 12 volts when turning the key. Now, if there was a power issue or any high resistance problems, you wouldn't have heard that beep because the power probe won't beep below 12 volts. Now, had an assistant to help me, I would have kept it plugged in. Feel that when we're going up, but that's okay because we've already confirmed our test. Anyway, now we're going to go try to present, or not present to the customer, tell the customer it needs a starter. And he's in the waiting room, so if he decides to do it, I will make a video on how to replace it. Anyway, hope this video's been informative. I'll get back with you if he does the job. Peace out.